Good morning. The weather has turned unexpectedly damp, so we're out with GoPro. There's not much wind about, so I haven't bothered connecting all the microphones and all that carry on. We'll see how we go. Sandy's allergic to the camera. She takes it as a stop sign. Don't know what's happened to her. Every time I put the phone up or the camera, she stops and gets edgy. Anyway, we're off. Sky is leading the way forward. It's Friday, I think it's the 25th of July. We're over halfway through the summer now. As you can see, everywhere is bottle green again. Just took a few days of rain and we're back to being the Emerald Isle. Sandy's no longer camouflaged by the brown grass, but we can't have a tiddle. That lead pulls her from behind, so she's crouching down for her tiddle. We don't want to be dragging her from the rear end. And usually Sky is tugging away at the other end, in opposite direction. It's usually Sandy that's out in front. Sky bringing up the rear. And it's just starting to split again. Alexa said it was going to be raining, but Siri doesn't think it should be. Siri thinks we've got a dry week. I don't particularly want to get wet, but it's not the end of the world. Hope it's not raining in Lancashire, where the cricket is. That's not from England and India. Come on, folks. Come on. I feel a bit of breeze on my neck. We're not going at any pace anyway. We've covered practically no distance. I do have a hood, but it's about as much good as a chocolate teapot. It's a very light jacket. And it's just blown off. It's designed to shield me from the wind, not the rain. I looked outside the door and thought the shower that we must have had while I wasn't noticing was a short-lived shower. But it's not. It's back. The funniest thing when they're barking is when they see it back on the television, they fly out of the baskets and start barking at themselves. She's getting very argumentative. Can't imagine there's going to be many people out on a miserable morning like this, which is good for us. And a good old tiddle. turbo to do. Now she's down and she's up again before she's finished. Come on, folks. Oh. Oh. Oops. Somebody else is daring to come into their field. Hope the lead doesn't snap. It's like having a hard session in the gym. Where are you going? Let's go. Come on. Like I said before, now we would start a fight in the convent. Go on. Nobody else about, thank the Lord. Oh, there is. And I can see his head is heading in our direction. Hopefully, he won't come into the long grass. Come on. Been walked through all that long wet grass. I'll now look as though I've had a shower. My tracksuit bottoms are soaking. And the fella in the distance, he's not coming into the long grass, which is good. So we definitely don't have to rush getting out of his way. And there's the fella, because he's like me, bald. Good old sniff. Keep everybody plenty of space to get away from us. Being slow can be a torturous thing at one moment and a saviour in the next. Sandy's out in front. I don't know whether you can see the rain. You've probably got more of a chance of seeing it coming down against the darkness of the trees in the background. But we are getting wet. Quite wet actually. Just look and see what she's sniffing. I'd imagine some nocturnal wildlife has been out. Made its presence felt. Rabbits, hedgehogs, foxes. There's a rabbit went flying by. Oops, you're not going in there, we'll never get you out. Come on. Come on, you're not going in there. Get wrapped up round a tree, I'll get destroyed. Retrieving you. You often used to lose Shadow and Carla, but you always knew they'd come back eventually. This one, I don't know. Should probably come back, but how long she'd be away for, I don't know. Come on, Sky. Good girl. And that's what's in store. Can't tell which way the weather's going. Let's put a positive take on it and say it's moving left to right. Glass half full. She's gone down there again. She can't go further down that way because she can't get back up. So I'll have to put her brakes on. So just to turn around and come back. Meanwhile, Sandy waits patiently. Can't go any deeper, she can't go any further. So sooner or later she's going to give up and come back. Oh, she couldn't get up. Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Come on. Come on. Come on. You need a helping hand? Oh, you just about managed it. I have to get her at the side. And we're going down again. Oh, good heavens, we are. There's nothing going on, there's nobody about. It's tooearly.com. Oh, we've gone down again. Come on, you're not going down there. It's muckied up. Come on, come on. It's filthy, come on. Come on, Sky, come on. Sky, come here, come here. Come on. Sky, come on. Come on. Come on, up, up, up. Go in further down where you get clean. She's just going to come back up there covered in mud. And then this little drop off her as she dries out at home. And the kitchen will be destroyed in muddy dust. There's a walker into the field. I think it's the same one I saw before, because we've got a bald head. He's Captain Baldy, like me. Come on. We're going down, as sure as day follows night. He likes the water. When she first came, she was allergic to it. Took her about 2 dips, and then she was addicted. Oh! Sandy's just sitting there waiting, or stood there anyway. Come on, Sky. Come on. Come on, Sky. Sky, come on. Come on. She's being contrary. She wants to stay in the water. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Now she's back up. Come on. Come on, folks. Let's move. Come on. You don't want to be in a mad rush to go anywhere, because these will mean you're going to be late. Come on! Come on! Come on, Sky! Good girl, come on. This is going to be an epic sniff test. Sniff, 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 sniff. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. I thought she'd spotted something behind me, but she hasn't. She's just keeping her eyes peeled. There's nothing there. Actually, there's a couple of rabbits there. I think that's what's caught the attention. And they've disappeared. Oh, there's another one. I wonder if she was watching. There's a third one. Rabbit stew. And it's gone. And just as it's gone, the cavalry arrives. Come on. Righty ho, I shall say goodbye and I shall see you later. Oh, and just in case you're wondering, I definitely think the sky is moving left to right. as it's now considerably brighter over on the left, and it's stopped raining. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.